let's create a quick bowl. I'll go ahead and title it. We're gonna use a couple new tools for this. So I'm gonna do a new sketch. I'm gonna go on the front plane. I'm gonna use a line tool. Go here. Okay, and I'm going to use the spline tool here. So it's going to create a point here, point in the middle of my arc, and then as I pull this up, you'll see that it smooths this line. Okay, I'm going to escape that. So once you're out of the spline tool, you've escaped that, you can actually click on this center point and adjust. You also have these little adjusting nodes as well to make that look like you want. I'm going to undo those. All right, so from there, I'm going to say that looks good. In order for, we're going to do a revolve, however, we need to have a second sketch also on this front plane for our center axis. So I'm going to do a sketch here on the front plane, and all I'm going to do is create a line that is vertical here. It does not matter how far it goes. This is just to give us an axis point. We could have done that as a construction line, but again, it does not matter here. So I'm going to use the revolve tool. We're going to do not a solid, because we're making a bowl, so we want it to be hollow. So we're going to do a surface. I'm going to do a surface, edges or sketch to surface. That's going to be these lines here. And then the revolve axis, as we've done before, is this here, and that gives me, it's just taking this line and making a surface. Now, we cannot 3D print this because this is simply a very, very, very thin surface. So we need to thicken this. But before I do that, I'm going to do one little adjustment. We're going to make this look a little better down here by using our fillet. I'm going to fillet that and that. And we're going to give this a radius of maybe 1.5. Just something that looks good. Okay. So I've got that filleted there. Now I'm going to use this tool here, which is thicken. So faces or surfaces to be thickened. If I click on this here, you'll notice, there we go, we've added some thickness. I need to click on all of these individually now. I need to click on that fillet, click on that pedestal, and that bottom fillet. So that is the whole shape. And for our bowl, we really only need to go 1.2. And so now if I come in here, you'll see that we do have a thickness. So this bowl is then ready to 3D print. I will be sharing with you the constraints in class as far as what size we can do. Good luck.